Hey friends, welcome to ZebsArtbeat once again. Guess what is this beautiful candy basket made up of? It's made up of a plastic gallon. Let's begin by shaping the gallon using a protractor for the handle. Fix this colored tape to trace a straight margin between the handles. Now draw a broader margin under it to enlarge the space for the handle. Cut it off. Let's measure the circumference and the depth of the gallon. It is 22 inches long and 3.5 plus 1.5 inch extra wide for the folds. Draw 1/2 inch margin horizontally on the fabric and 1/2 inch margins under it vertically. Cut the vertical margins. Now fix the uncut strip at the curve of the basket. Take another piece of a contrast colored fabric measuring 23 into 3.5 inch. Cut 1/2 inch strip horizontally into 7 pieces. Now view the basket as shown. Pull one strip up and 2 down. Keep fixing the long strip to the basket as done. Let's fix the second layer. Pull first strip under the horizontal hyphen, leaving the next 2 strips down. Keep gluing the contrast strips. The extra end can be fixed inside as done. Roll any decorative lace around the handle. pockets covered the curved base. To conceal the joints, I wrapped it with the same lace used for the handle. Fix a decorative flower on the closures of the laces. Measure the volume of the basket. Take a fabric shopping bag of similar measurement. Cut as per required size. Remove the top of the shopping bag and use the base. Glue the edge. Keep the shopping bag inside the basket and glue the ends as done. Here we are done. Wasn't it an amazing recycling idea? Keep watching ZebsArtbeat for our upcoming project by subscribing to our channel. Do hit the bell icon to get the quick notification. We'll get back soon. Till then, have a good day.